The Correlation Trader is designed to help you to identify markets with strong or weak correlation so that you can better understand the relationship between two sets of prices and use that to help you make better informed trading decisions. Setting it up. To get started, simply drag and drop the Correlation Trader from the Expert Advisors list in MetaTrader 4 Navigator onto a chart. Make sure the Allow Live Trading and Allow DLL Imports boxes are checked and that Auto Trading is turned on. You are now ready to trade using the Correlation Trader. Multi-screen trading. The Correlation Trader can be shown on or off the chart. If you want to pin it to the chart, simply click on the top left icon and select Pin Unpin. To make the Correlation Trader bigger or smaller on screen, click on a corner and drag the borders of the app to the required size. Multiple languages. The Correlation Trader operates in multiple international languages as standard and, if possible, will automatically display in the language used for your MT4. To change the Correlation Trader language once the MT4 is open, simply select the language you want from the main MT4 View Languages menu and either restart the MT4 or remove and add back the Correlation Trader. Correlation Trader currently supports these languages. If you would like a new language to be added, please ask. Using the trader. The Correlation Trader is currently showing the price relationship between Euro-Dollar and Euro-Yen. The correlation is currently plus 12%. If we switch from Euro-Yen to Dollar Swiss, we have a strong correlation of minus 90. This means that there is strong negative correlation and the two prices should move more or less in the opposite direction. The markets to be compared can be changed by clicking on the upper or lower boxes and entering the first letters of the market. The time frame can also be changed by clicking on the drop-down box. Here we are changing it to a 2-hour chart. Above the drop-down box there is a box that shows the volume of all open positions, in this case 0.1 long, and on the right another box showing the floating profit or loss on the account. Click on either box to open the New Order screen. From here we can close the current positions and open new ones with stop loss, take profit and hedging controls. The Correlation Trader helps identify symbols with strong or weak correlation and to trade emerging differences in the correlation. It is a great risk management tool rich with features designed to help you trade more safely with better tools and better information. For further information, please contact us or check the website for the software's detailed user guide.